The gay Igbo man who is juicy, moisturized, hydrated, unbothered, and doing the things. It snowed. I was so surprised. I woke up this morning, everywhere is covered in snow. I just came to the car to get something sorted. I wanted to charge the car, but because there is people here, I can't just move the car because that would be disrespectful. So I will come back later to do this. That is my windshield. That is the car, everywhere covered in snow. Once I finish here, I go back in, change my bed covers, hoover the flats. I want to run an errand quickly. Let me show you what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this beanie from Jack & Jones. My row neck is from Weekday. My jacket is Ralph Lauren. I'm wearing Air Force One and these denim pants from Bershka. I want to go and get something quickly. We did these two fragrances, Verbena by Laboratorium Lido and Ball the Afraid by Byredo. My tote bag from Errands. We are in the car, we are about to drive off. I swear, I will be so pissed off if this shop is not open because sometimes this happens. It's going to take me about 20 minutes to get there. Let's go, okay? Let's go. My dear, the shop is not open. So I dragged myself to this place and the shop is not open. Yeah, I'm going to drag my gay Igbo king back to go and relax at home. That's what I'm going to do. What the hell is this? It's not open. But I remain juicy, moisturized and hydrated.